Place the tie around your neck like this. Ensure that the wide end of tie is on your right side. Pull down the wide end till the narrow end of tie reaches this level. Take the narrow end of tie to your right side and wide end of tie to your left side like this. Now a loop has been formed around your neck. Also an X appears here. Take the wide end of tie and insert it into the loop from inside. Insert into the loop from inside and pull it to your left side. Now it will be like this. Take the wide end of tie to your right side beneath the narrow end of tie. Now insert wide end of tie into the loop from outside and pull the tie towards your right side. Pull it towards your right side. Take the wide end of tie to your left side. Simultaneously keep your finger like this. This finger. Now insert wide end of tie into the loop from inside. Now insert this wide end into the gap created with the finger. Now gently pull down the wide end. It will be like this. To adjust the height, pull down the narrow end of tie which is beneath the wide end. Gently move the tie left to right and right to left. Place this portion of tie inside the collar. Again do the adjustment. Now adjust the height and it will look like this. Major steps involved are 1. Forming the loop, 2. Inserting into the loop from inside, 3. Inserting into the loop from outside, 4. Inserting into the loop from inside. These are all the 4 major steps involved. Thanks for watching.